Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Quick little fun video here for today. We're going to expose both of my cars, but I'm going to need your help as well because guess what? I'm going to flip it over to you. More details to come. Let's go ahead and get this video started. All right, it's time to expose the BMWs. My 2016 BMW M5 and then my 2008 BMW 335i, which obviously built the channel. I'm gonna go to the 335. Look how dirty this is. The joys of parking outside and having not enough garage space. This car is filthy on the outside. So exposing wise, anything that is wrong with your BMW. And yes, service engine soon. Well, so the code for that is my rear O2s. So when I went and did my E92X pipe under here, as you can see there. So I have an E92X pipe that was welded in. So on the E90, you actually have a resonator muffler. And of course that is paired to the Dynan mufflers. Good old sound. Has some issues with the O2 sensors and I have to replace both O2 sensors. So that is that issue, what I have going on really with the car. That's the only code for the service engine soon. So I've been slacking to get that done, but yep, called out on that, of course. Before I get to the M5, this is where I need your guys' help. Comment down below as far as calling yourself out. What stuff that you still have to fix, replace, or whatever, or stuff that you've been holding off on, let me know down below. The rest of the car looks like crap, of course, but oh, the engine bay looks great. Just a little dusty from being outside. Only oil leak that I have on this car is the oil pan gasket. Oil cooler housing, oil filter housing, good. Valve cover already replaced, of course. Have that here on the channel because that was leaking pretty bad. And a bunch of other little tiny little issues over the many years of having it, but just the oil pan gasket really need to get replaced and switch that out, and then it'll be leak free. But really, other than that, this car is a dream and just needs a good wash. That's really about it. I'm excited to see what you guys are gonna have down there, of course. And you know, we get so busy with so many things that sometimes we just put it off. It's just the joy of it, or we fix a bunch of stuff and the BMW start leaking yet again. Just the name of the game, really. So going from one to the other, to my M5. Now with this one being a 2016, so I've done some maintenance stuff there on the M5, but there are no oil leaks, no nothing. Car runs like a dream, 44,500 miles currently on it, and no codes, no nothing whatsoever on the car. Definitely a blast to drive, and it is a big change. It's just a big change between both cars. So the only thing that I will call myself out on the M5 is need some more mods. So I need to do the downpipes, need to do those, and a few other little odds and ends stuff. So we can't go anywhere without a cold start, of course. Have to love that V8 sound. That does it here today. Let me know down in the comment section below. Call yourself out. What do you have that's still left on your BMW that needs to be fixed what you need to add or whatever, something that you've been holding off, right? Call yourself out on it. Be interested to see what your comments are down below. Appreciate all the support, guys, and a good video actually coming here tomorrow. And as always, big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out the many other 335i videos and also M5 videos out there, as I'm here to help you with your ownership to make it as easy as possible. Thanks again, guys, and talk to you soon.